everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Plymouth GTX Convertible. Pretty car, guys. I bought this car down in Tennessee. It came from an older man. He's owned the car for, I guess, quite some time. Pretty car. This is actually like a B7 blue. The car was originally B5 blue. It's got all the original white interior, 440 car. It is a factory N96 Air Grabber hood car. You can see it's got Goodyears all the way around it with Magnum 500s. Nice car. It's an older restoration, but well maintained. Very nice driver is what it is. Good solid straight body. Very rare car. Actually forgot to look up the production numbers on these cars, but they did not build a lot of these cars. And again, it's an original N96 car. You can see it's got the original grille still in it. You can nitpick. There's a couple little stone packs and things like that. But very nice car. Pretty color on this car. Again, it was originally a B5 blue. This is really a B7 is what it is. Again, you can see a couple little cracks on it. There's some things you can nitpick on the car, but like I say, still very nice. Again, that's actually the original interior in that car. There's a little split in the driver's seat. It's got a, if I remember, I think you've just replaced the top not too long ago. It's got the original Mopar top on it. All the original tail light bezels. That back tail panel's in nice shape. Sorry guys, just some little water droplets on it. This is a good car. Sorry, he waxed it, left a little wax in there. Again, Goodyear Eagles all the way around it, Magnum 500 wheels. Car's got, I think it's 77,000 if I remember correctly. That's the original miles that are on this car. Sorry guys. Again, it is a factory 440 car. Does not have the matching numbers motor. I think it's a 68 block, 4-barrel. You can see it's got a set of ceramic headers on it, power steering, power brakes. Again, factory N96 Air Grabber hood, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. It's got the stock Mopar radiator in it. Original fender tag. You can nitpick the A-pillar chrome there. Original mirror. I said the original door handles, they're in good shape. This is actually the original interior. You can see it's got a split in the driver's seat. Bucket seats, console. It's got all the stock seat belts. Aftermarket tach. 77,628. That's what's on your odometer there. Power top. It's got a AM 8-track player. I believe the 8-track works too, doesn't it, Jay? I believe it does. I think it does. I remember right. We pushed it in and it worked. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 sure grip. Jack was spare. They have spackle coated it in the trunk, which isn't original. These were body color actually. Car's clean underneath. You can see the Flowmaster dual exhaust. You can see it's got the Mopar top on it. Jay will put that up when we... You can see the little lights in there working. It's a good car. Little marks in the dash. Good running 440 car, drives out real good. Matter of fact, when we were down there, we actually drove this car for a couple of days, so we know it's a good car. Pretty color combo. Good, Jay. You can see it's a newer top. It's a correct Mopar style top. It's got the plastic rear window. That's good, Jay. Oh, you don't want to ride down the road with it?
Cold.
Well, you have to check the fuel gauge, oil pressure gauge, tach's working. Backup lights work. Give a little rev, Jay. Car sounds good. No on the radio, or?
No, I can't get it to
I
come
thought
on.
we got that thing to come on.
I did too.
Blower motor.
Yes,
Blower motor works. Check on that radio. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through either our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Gotta get a better look at that color in the sunshine. It's a pretty color combo. Have a great day, guys.